Sanjay Singh ji was elected as a president of the Wrestling Federation of the India on 24th December 2023, and it is seemed at this time he is the man of the, he belongs to the former WFI president Brij Bhushan Saran Singh. So that's why once again wrestlers like Sakshi Malik, Vinesh Fogart, Bajrang Punia once again oppose the election of the Sanjay Singh because he belongs to the former WFI president Brij Bhushan Saran Singh, and this matter has been going on, and the Sport Ministry of the India suspended the election of the Sanjay Singh, and it was told at that time it is going on, it is not a fair. So that's why when Brij Bhushan Saran Singh became the president of the Wrestling Federation of the India, then after he has started, at that time he had started to shift the practice matches from Delhi, from Rohtak to the Lucknow, and this was the totally unpleased situation for the wrestlers that is belong to the Rajasthan, Haryana and Delhi. And after that, Brij Bhushan Saran Singh was accused for the sexual harassment of the some wrestlers. So that's why to oppose the election of the Brij Bhushan Saran Singh and for their sexual harassment case, these wrestlers Vinesh Fogart and Sakshi Malik and Bajrang Punia started hunger strike at Jantar Mantar in Delhi. So Brij Bhushan Saran Singh has ousted from the WFI as a president, but it was not the end point because Brij Bhushan Saran Singh came to the Kshatriya community in Uttar Pradesh, and there are the 8% population of the Kshatriya in Uttar Pradesh, and total 80 Lok Sabha seats situated in Uttar Pradesh, in which 12 to 15 seats are, that is the very crucial, and Brij Bhushan Saran Singh have very strong point, have a strong oppose on that 12 to 15 Lok Sabha seats in Uttar Pradesh. So that's why, and he came to the as a leader of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So it was very difficult to take action against Brij Bhushan Saran Singh because of the vote bank politics, and 12 to 15 Lok Sabha seats and 8% population of the Kshatriya in Uttar Pradesh. But nowadays, as we know, these wrestlers belong to the Jat community. If we are talking about the Jat population, then after 1.2% of the Jat in Uttar Pradesh and 5% Jat in Delhi and 23% Jat in Haryana and 8% Jat in Rajasthan. So that's why it is the very challenging point for the Bharatiya Janata Party how to manage these two communities. At present, BJP did not want, or does not want to any Jat or Kshatriya. They have take it at a parallel way. So that's why in the next year the Lok Sabha election has come and will come, and then after in the Haryana the Vidhan Sabha election will come, and then after it is the very satisfactory point for the BJP. They have suspended the newly elected Sanjay Singh as a WFI's chief, and Sport Ministry of the India directed to the Indian Olympic Association IOA, whose chief is that PT Usha, and PT Usha take up this matter, and then after she will form an Antrim committee to look after the matter of these wrestlers. So vote bank politics is going on everywhere in the world. I am talking about it. Okay, so that's why in Bharatiya Janata Party it was a very difficult situation how to please Jat and how to please Kshatriya. Okay, in a single case, in an equal way. So at this time IOA could take it, and then after what will happen we had to see in the near